plaza, pumpkin on the parking plaza, pumpkin on the parking plaza.
I'm so excited now. It's like happening.
There's the first Halloween decor right there. Do not enter. Scary. Where's this boat taking us?
Mickey's party.
Are you scared of something? What's going on?
The sun's so bright right now. It's the Halloween party time. It's Halloween party time.
Boom to you and boom to. Ooh.
So we're not wearing any costumes this time, but at least I put on this festive shirt.
Nice.
No, I think the ferry boat's the way to go. Let's boo this. I'm so excited because we're walking into Magic Kingdom right now. Well, in like 2 seconds, we'll be in the Magic Kingdom.
They're wearing the uniforms. They're wearing the uniforms.
You're gonna trick or treat till you drop? Of course. Good.
Candy corns are back.
It's party time! Your first stop when you go to the party is to take an immediate right. Here you get hooked up with some really cute photo ops and get your first round of candy of the night. What's the announcement?
Our not so scary Halloween party has begun. This Magic Kingdom is now prepared to celebrate my favorite time of year.
What time is it?
Chapstick time.
Party time! The party has officially started.
The music.
Some photo opportunities with these really cute statues. Some Mickey pumpkin wreaths. Iconic, love those. There's some of those signs that you can hold that FastPass takes you. It's like a frame for you and it says like Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. So we just got our treat bag. It's empty right now, but soon it will not be. Let's get candy. Happy Halloween. Thank you. So they have t-shirts, they have light up things. We'll go into the Emporium and look at these more closely in just a second, but you can get them here and save yourself some party time later. The Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is my absolute favorite event at Magic Kingdom. I love the Halloween party so much, so I'm very excited to be here. We're going to see the parade, we're gonna see the brand new fireworks, we're gonna get so much candy. This is our first candy haul of the night. They handed us this entire bag filled with, looks like those items. So I can definitely see some M&Ms and Starburst and I think Snickers peanut butter. What? That is so cool. Typically, adults can't wear costumes into the Magic Kingdom. At the Halloween party, you can. Oh, come back, blue thing. There's a fun blue thing. Aaron's gonna run so that you can see the blue thing. The person dressed up like one of those wacky wailing inflatable arm flailing 2 people. Closed off this part of Main Street, so the guests that are not attending the party can head out through here. Wristband, you can go down Main Street.
Should I try it?
All right, let's try it.
Try it.
Actually, we have the wristband. Note that if you are at the Magic Kingdom on a day that there's a party happening, the park closes at 6 p.m. So if you're coming around the Halloween season, it's a good idea to save your Magic Kingdom day for a non-party day so you can use the full park hours. I've seen cast members go through and they will like sweep the park like arm in arm and walking down the park, and everyone has to check for wristbands. If you don't have a wristband, they will escort you to the front of the park. I've seen it happen. With the party guests entering and the non-party guests exiting, Main Street is kind of quiet at the moment. I'm gonna go into the Emporium to check out the Halloween party merch. So here's a look at some of the Halloween merch that they have this year. This is so cool. I haven't seen it's like the Headless Horseman like figurine. Looking for party exclusive merch is always in a different section and you aren't able to access it until the party starts. You have to show your band to get back here. That is so cute. That's a really pretty color and it's 2019. It's a really soft shirt too. That's so fun. It lights up. Holy cow, I love that so much. And look at that lining. That is so cool. Here's the Halloween party magic band for this year. So pretty. Love how sparkly it is. This color looks like a little like purple here, but it's more of like a deep, rich purple. I think it's just the lighting. A 10-pin collection. How cute is that? It's like little jack-o'-lanterns of different characters. That's awesome. So we've seen the merch, we got our first thing of candy. Now it's time to get this party started. What's the first thing we're gonna do?
More candy.
Oh yeah, more candy. Cute. dead in the hub right now. But a lot of people are getting in line for the characters because there's some really cool special characters that meet during the Halloween party. The lines often start before the party even begins. The really popular characters like Jack and Sally, the lines will start at like 4:30, even though the party doesn't even start till 7. It's playing like a rockin' version of the Pirates of the Caribbean theme right now. There's Jane and Tarzan over there.
I think that's spray paint or real.
Swing in a shaft.
What is that?
Probably for wait times.
Oh yeah. We saw Aladdin and Abu. We're looking for our first treat station. So if you're looking for treats, look for this guy. Ooh, look at the spooky fog. Well, we found all the people. They're all back here trick-or-treating. Oh, that's really intense.
Where do you even get that?
I don't know. Ooh, it's so spooky in here with all this lighting and there's like whistling, wind, sound effects. Wow. So cute. They're just kind of hanging out here. Frontierland is actually one of my favorite places to be for the Halloween party because you got some characters walking around. You'll have the cadaver dance out later. You can take pictures with some of the grave diggers. So it's very, very cool. And they got this spooky haze. I wonder what this is. It's testing it out. We don't know what's happening.
My master's niece and debutante of the ages, the one and only, Madame Carlotta!
Oh my goodness.
I was giving you a hand.
And you just stood there, thank you.
She's looking for a suitable suitor. That lady over there is pointing at the gentleman in the gray shirt.
Please take and move along.
It's very cool. Who is one of my favorites. She's so funny. Oh, it's so nice to see her. Yes.
M&M's.
Also, they played the best music during this party.
Yeah.
How's it going back there?
These are weird M&M's.
Wait, why?
Ooh, they're caramel.
Ooh.
Caramel.
Nice.
Cavities.
Cavity.
Cavities.
You can go on rides during the party, and they typically have lower than normal wait times. They do not do fast passes during the party though. So 5 minutes for Small World. Oh, it's usually about 5 minutes. Let's see what Peter Pan looks like. That'll be a good test. Hey, 25 minutes.
Wow.
PhilharMagic is one of my favorite treat stations. You can sit down and enjoy a nice movie, and it's a double treat station. Thank you. First one.
More candy.
It's very difficult to do everything in one night. There is so much to do between the characters and the entertainment and the special treats and the trick-or-treating. Very important to come here with a plan, especially if you're only coming once. If you're coming multiple times, you can kind of like ease yourself into it. But if you're coming once, come with the game plan. What is this music? You guys music? I love this area for the party. It's so random.
Shooting arcade.
It's not operated.
It's not? You can't use it?
No.
That's lame.
Not everything is open. Like PhilharMagic, you can't do PhilharMagic.
Well, I get that, but what about the shooting arcade?
Pew, pew. We got one of my returning favorites from last year. The Hades nachos. It's buffalo chicken and cheese.
And you said the cheese is spicy too?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Maybe the chicken's spicy. Maybe the cheese. The cheese looks spicy.
Yeah. Looks like there's hot Cheetos in there, but there aren't.
It looks like it though.
You like it?
I like this because there are so many sweet things at the party, plus you get all the candy.
Yeah.
That's nice having like a little savory option.
It's really good. And you can share it too. Shareable.
If you have any allergy restrictions or dietary preferences, you can still enjoy trick-or-treating here at Magic Kingdom. They have these allergy stations set up throughout the park. There's one in Liberty Square, there's one on Main Street. If you look at your map, look for the blue pumpkin. That means that there's an allergy-friendly station. Collect a plastic coin, and then you redeem the coins at these special allergy-friendly stations for candies and treats that may suit your dietary needs. Okay, so you have the ingredients in there. Yeah. Oh, that's really awesome.
So the top part are the ingredients that are inside, and the bottom are what is not included.
So like if you have a gluten sensitivity, then you can have that one. Oh, that's so awesome. And what are these?
So those are for any of our friends who can't have any of our candies, just so that they can still trick-or-treat and get something in their bag.
An hour before the first parade, and people are already in line here. We're going to head over to Main Street though, because our plan is to find a spot where we can watch the parade and the fireworks.
Yeah.